So you're building a design portfolio and case studies in the attempts to land new freelance clients or maybe a full-time role. Well, guess what? So is everybody else. So what's going to give you that edge over the competition? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 5 more portfolio hacks. They're going to help you land those clients and land those positions. Learn to become a storyteller. Storytelling creates connection between you and the reader, and a great portfolio or project or case study tells a great story. I like to use this 3-act scenario to tell stories inside of case studies. Number 1 is the setup. That's the problem. You can say that the old version of this was ugly, it was broken, the conversion was weak, the customers complained. You need to set the stage with some sort of problem. Then next up is the conflict. That's where you actually wrestle that problem into submission by bringing the solution. So tell the tale of how you fixed it, what processes, what features, what tools, and how you brought this thing to fruition. Lastly, every good story needs resolution, and for us, that's the impact that your work made on the company or the project itself. This is where you bring in those wonderful metrics, either quantitative or qualitative. It could be 4 out of 5 users agree that this is better, or it could be hard data that says the conversions are better, money is more, the churn is less. You want to make sure that you bring that resolution and that story to a close. And so make your design process engaging by becoming a better storyteller. What did you learn and what didn't work? Be authentic, be genuine, and show a little transparency inside of your case studies. You can show key iterations, key takeaways, lessons learned, design decisions that were made and were not great, how you fixed them and brought them to better design decisions. Show your ability to think and adapt and overcome, and in doing so, you're going to show that you're a human being, that you're genuine, that you're authentic, and that there's room for improvement and you are willing to learn and grow as a person. Act like a human, and when you act like a human, write like a human. Not a textbook, not ChatGPT, not an AI assistant. Write like you, in your brand, in your tone, in your style. Just be you. This means cut out the jargon, the industry jargon, the buzzwords. All of that stuff is confusing, and often when people are looking to hire you, either full-time or freelance, they themselves may not be the designer, so they don't know what all that jargon means anyways. You're not impressing anybody with industry buzzwords. Next, don't sound so academic. Be more casual, be less boring, be a little bit more interesting. And thirdly, don't use AI to write your case studies completely. Have some impact, have some influence on what you sound like in your portfolio. Write as if you were explaining to a friend, maybe your aunt, your uncle. Write like you're explaining to a 10-year-old, but just write like you. You'll come off more authentic, more genuine, and like a human being that somebody might want to work with. Speak to your audience and to your audience only. Imagine a room full of 100 people and only one of them is your audience. Don't generalize your message or your positioning or who you are to make the other 99 feel comfortable. Speak with lightning focus to the one person in the room. Forget that the others are there. You got to figure out what they care about, what's important to them, what they're looking for, what's a specialty skill that really is a standout skill for them, and then position yourself as their solution. By avoiding the 99 and focusing on the one, you are going to pick up more jobs and land more clients, I promise you. View yourself as the product. Every good designer, when designing a landing page, is creating that landing page to help probably sell a product. In this case, your portfolio site is a marketing site, is a sales page for you. You're the product. You're selling yourself. You're selling your skills and the value that you bring. And every good designer has to think about the strategy on how to make that sale. And it's no different here on your portfolio. Think like a designer when it comes to your portfolio. Ask yourself the question, who is the user? What are their goals? What matters to them? What's the positioning that would affect them most? And how can you create the best experience for them? When you change your way of thinking to thinking of yourself like a product and your portfolio like the sales page, it's going to change the way that you build your portfolio and your case studies. Well, that's it. Those are 5 more portfolio hacks to help you land clients and get jobs. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you know when more design career content comes out. Also, look for the link down in the description to become a design champion for absolutely free. Design Champions is a design community to help you level up your design career through courses, curriculum, live events, and a whole bunch more. So definitely check it out. I hope you're having an amazing week. I hope you're designing amazing things, making amazing things. We'll see you in the next one.